Hi folks, how are you? Myself Sujoy Chaurasia. I am from E-Oxygen Automotive Private Limited. I'm very happy to announce that E-Oxygen, which provides service repair maintenance on EV on-site, as well as aggregation of all EV related technology, would like to introduce Mr. Tejasav from Deltaz. He is the part of the EV ecosystem. His company is engaged in the charging related ecosystem. So enjoy the video and his introduction.
Hi, so I am Tejas. Basically, we are the promoters of Delta Z. So we basically started this company for developing customized solutions for EV charging and anything related to IoT. And so I come from electronics and communication background, and Tejas is a master with computer science and software. So we thought we would be a great combination to start this company. So we initially started developing like software for other companies. So one of our first customer was a US based company which was solving charging problems related to last mile connectivity. So we first developed like a complete infrastructure for them that included the charging station, uh, something like this, and this also had a complete dashboard where they could actually see the complete charging, generate reports, manage payouts, and also a customer app where people could actually just find the station, plug in the charger, and just probably leave it till it gets like completely charged. So these had a lot of fancy features like geofencing, navigation, and like pretty much Bluetooth, which was probably expected for a charging station to have. And then we realized that there is a huge scope, like there's a huge market in the European side where government are actually giving grants, and a lot of projects are really entertained where it's something related to renewable energy or energy management. So we stepped into the European market, and we like one of our clients we basically developed like a complete energy management for one of our clients, which was more like a frequency based demand response where we actually keep monitoring the grid load, and based on the load we basically shift down the factory consumption. So we were allowed to control about 1 megawatt, which was pretty much enough for reducing the peak at the grid. And we also developed like smart charging application for OCPP based AC/DC chargers. So these were not like simple chargers where you could just pay and charge and just leave. But these also had features like scheduling, load shifting, because they had more like a dynamic pricing during the day. That's like more like a hourly price for electricity. So these prices are basically like per megawatt hour, and this is for it's in Danish krona, so it's for Denmark. So the chargers like really supported features that would actually help you save energy as well as the cost. And then we realized maybe we should start developing something of our own, like a product of our own, and step into the Indian market. And we soon realized that there are issues like range anxiety, like not enough charging infrastructure, and also the servicing sector, which I'm pretty sure Sijoy sir is like doing very well, and also the high charging time of the chargers. So we really wanted to step into it, but the main concern was, of course, the funding, because we didn't have enough money to R&D. So we thought of developing a really easy and a cheap product. So these are some of the features that our current product, the first product, has, which is like they support up to 3.3 kilowatt. We have the complete the energy. So the new product is named Energy, and everything comes under that. So we basically allow the user to control and monitor the charger. It simply connects to any Wi-Fi around you, and also you can generate reports. You can schedule charging from like straight away from the portal. So this is like a snap of how the product actually looks like now. But it's like we can actually develop this in any shape and size, so that the look of it won't be like a major concern. And this is a snap of the portal that we have. So this is the complete report. You can actually see the complete monthly report as well as the weekly report here. And this is like you can actually control individual stations and individual chargers, and you can actually like view the consumption on that. So initially, we have partnered with a battery swapping company who actually needed a power monitoring solution to actually pay off their vendors, the franchise that they are running. So we managed to sell a good amount of devices to them, and they are currently live at about two stations, and we are planning to expand. They are planning to expand more, so we are expecting more devices to be bought by them. And we are now also looking forward to tie up with residential societies where people are having a hard time charging their vehicles. So if you are at the ground floor, that's a luck. But if you are like any of the above floors, then probably you might have a problem installing a charger. So we are thinking that this would actually solve the problem there. And also we are planning to tie up with fleet operators where like any fleet operator who has like a large number of vehicles, they can install a private charger wherever they would like, and we would give them a complete customized solution like which they can basically operate. And this is one of the snap that the charging the swapping station like from their swapping station. And yeah, so that's pretty much it on our complete product. So yeah, so that's pretty much it.